Just 9 videos and 200,000 subscribers. If you're a beginner, you're probably thinking, how is that even possible? Here's the truth. It's not luck, it's a system. I analyzed a fast-growing YouTube channel, like frame by frame, video by video, and I realized something powerful. Growth on YouTube is not random. It's designed. Today, I'm going to break down 5 simple steps that any beginner can follow to grow. And don't worry, I'll explain everything in the easiest way possible. Step 1. Choose the right niche. Most beginners make this mistake. One day motivation, next day gaming, then vlogs. Result? No growth. Why? Because YouTube gets confused, and so does your audience. Simple rule, pick one topic. Examples: YouTube growth, fitness, online earning. Now go one level deeper. Who are you making videos for? Students, beginners, creators. When you target one specific group, they start binge watching your content. Step 2, strong hook. Let's say someone clicks your video and leaves in 2 seconds. Game over. That's why the first 3 seconds matter the most. Weak intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Strong intro. 90% of YouTubers fail because of this one mistake. See the difference? Create curiosity. Get straight to the point. No wasting time. Step 3. Simple but smart. Editing. Beginners think, I don't know advanced editing. Good news. You don't need it. Just do these 3 things. 1. Cut all silence and pauses. 2. Add subtitles to important words. 3. Use slight zoom in / zoom out. That's it. Free apps you can use: CapCut, VN, InShot. Your goal: make the video feel fast and smooth. Step 4. Pattern break. Most underrated. Here's where most people fail. If your video looks the same for too long, same angle, same voice, same visuals, the viewer gets bored. Solution: change something every 3 to 5 seconds. Examples: zoom change, text on screen, sound effect, clip switch. This keeps the brain engaged. Remember this line: same thing for too long equals boring. Step 5. Curiosity plus story. Real growth hack. Now the most powerful step: don't just give information. Create a story. Bad example: here are 5 YouTube tips. Better example: I tested these 5 strategies for 30 days, and the results shock me. Now the viewer has to watch till the end. Why? Because they want the result. That's called a curiosity loop. If you're just starting, don't try to be perfect. Just follow these 5 steps. 1 niche, strong hook, clean editing, pattern breaks, curiosity-driven storytelling, and most importantly, be consistent. Upload every week. At first, growth will feel slow, but one day, it will suddenly explode. Now tell me honestly, which step are you already following, and which one are you ignoring?